most common way that I know people that do it and you can do it is just rinse your potato off. I always rinse and salt my potatoes, and then you want to poke holes in them. And then you can wrap it in plastic or just put it in a microwave for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the size of the baked potatoes. So you can have a colossal baked potato. It could take you 15 minutes in the microwave, or you can have a smaller one that could take 5. But my preferred way is to roll them in the salt and drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil, put them on a sheet tray and put them in a 400-degree oven. It takes about 30 to 45 minutes to bake an average size baked potato. If you use those big colossal ones, it can take up to an hour, but that gives you the perfect baked potato. You always want to just put it where either a fork or a knife will go through. You get a little resistance, but it doesn't have that crunch of a raw potato. Then, of course, butter, sour cream, cheese, bacon, all that stuff on top of it.